Whale sharks are majestic and gentle giants of the sea, yet their behavior remains largely mysterious. They appear to be solitary creatures, living most of their lives in open oceans and rarely interacting with other individuals. However, with more research, scientists have begun to gain a greater understanding of the behavior patterns of these gentle giants. In this video, we will explore what has been learned about whale shark behavior so far and delve deeper into some intriguing findings. The whale shark is the world's largest fish, measuring up to 59 feet long and weighing up to 14 metric tons. These massive creatures have a flattened head, rounded snout, and 5 large gill slits located on either side of their head. Their skin is gray or brownish-gray in color with white spots along their body and wide ridges along the length of their back. They have very small eyes that are located at the sides of their heads and 2 very small dorsal fins near the back of their bodies. The mouth of a whale shark can be found on its underside, which can measure over 4 feet wide when opened fully. Whale sharks can be found in tropical and warm temperate waters all over the world, with some species even residing in cold waters. Whale sharks prefer habitats that allow them to easily search for food sources such as plankton or small fish, which they feed on using their wide mouths. Whale shark presence has been documented in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Red Sea. The whale shark is known to inhabit ocean depths ranging from shallow coral reefs up to 2,600 feet below sea level. However, the most common habitat for these majestic animals is generally coastal areas with sandy bottoms with depths reaching 164 feet. Additionally, whale sharks have been observed venturing into estuaries near river mouths due to abundant food sources there. Despite their size, whale sharks feed on some of the smallest organisms in the ocean, such as plankton and krill. They also consume many other kinds of marine life, including small schooling fishes, squid, crabs, and shrimp. Whale sharks have adapted a filter-feeding lifestyle to survive on their tiny prey items. Using their huge mouths and gills, they suck in large amounts of water that is then expelled through the gills along with any food particles caught by mucous membranes lining the mouth and gill arches. The combination of size and specialized feeding technique allows whale sharks to consume over 46 pounds of plankton per day. Whale sharks are one of the ocean's most impressive creatures, and their mating behavior is equally fascinating. Although little is known about whale shark mating habits, recent studies have shed some light on this mysterious process. Whale sharks typically travel alone and only gather in large numbers to mate during the spring. During this time, males appear to compete for the attention of female sharks by swimming around them in spiral formations. It's also believed that male sharks use a combination of color patterns as well as acoustic signals to attract mates. Once a successful pairing is made, the female lays her eggs inside a special pouch on her underside before they are fertilized by sperm from the male shark in what is known as internal fertilization. These gentle giants are ovoviviparous, meaning that embryos develop inside eggs within the mother's body. Then the pups are born alive after a gestation period that lasts anywhere from 10 to 18 months, depending on water temperatures and other environmental factors. The whale shark is a solitary animal. However, during the mating season, these animals come together in groups to mate. Whale sharks can often be seen in large groups or aggregations that contain anywhere from 10 to 50 individuals. These aggregations are often comprised of both males and females across multiple age ranges that have traveled from remote areas far away from each other. It is also suspected that whale sharks communicate with each other using a variety of sounds and body movements such as head shaking and fin slapping to alert other members of the group about potential threats or food sources. The whale shark is a remarkable species that has adapted to its environment over millions of years. This majestic creature uses various behavioral adaptations to survive and thrive in its ocean home. These unique behaviors include filter feeding on plankton, anchoring itself underwater with suction cups located on its fins, mating within groups during specific times of the year, and using countershading for camouflage. These adaptations help whale travel long distances around the oceans without being detected. Whale sharks also use temperature-regulating behaviors such as swimming up and down the water column so that their bodies can adjust to different temperatures. In addition, they are known to venture into shallow coastal waters near reefs to feed on small fish and other prey items. These majestic giants have been increasingly vulnerable to threats from humans and climate change since they were added to the IUCN Red List of Endangered Species in 2016. In recent years, efforts have been made to better understand this endangered species and its unique habitats around the world. It is estimated that their population has decreased by at least 50% in recent decades, a fact that should alarm us all. The primary threat facing whale sharks today is unsustainable fishing practices such as entanglement and bycatch. They are also hunted for their meat and fins, which further adds to the pressure on their populations. Pollution from plastic debris and other sources is also a major concern, with many individuals suffering from ingestion or entanglement each year. Climate change is playing an increasingly significant role too. Rising temperatures impact ocean habitats and food availability, which can have devastating effects on whale shark numbers in the long term. Despite their enormous size, whale sharks don't seem to pose any danger to people, making them some of the most docile creatures in the animal kingdom. Many people who have encountered whale sharks say their experience was serene and peaceful. They're often spotted swimming slowly near oceangoers, but they don't seem to be searching for human interaction or food. Whale sharks are endangered species and as such should not be disturbed or harassed by humans. They are incredibly sensitive creatures with delicate skin that can easily become damaged. Touching a whale shark can cause abrasions on its skin that leave them exposed to potential infections, parasites, and bacteria. It's also important to note that touching a whale shark could be dangerous for humans too. They have powerful tails which could accidentally hit someone while they are being touched. As such, it is important to respect the wildlife around us and never directly interact with these animals in any way, including touch. In fact, whale sharks are filter feeders, meaning they eat plankton which is only found deep in the ocean at depths greater than a scuba diver can reach. These gentle giants appear to be content living peacefully on their own out in the wild blue yonder, not interacting with humans or other animals. In summary, whale shark behavior is fascinating and complex. Scientists have worked hard to learn about the species, and their research indicates that whale sharks can form strong social bonds with one another. By studying whale shark behavior, scientists can gain an understanding of how these incredible creatures live and interact with one another in the ocean. Protecting and preserving the habitats of whale sharks is essential to preserving their species and ensuring they remain a part of our natural world.